Hello, in this video we are going to be continuing on with networking, and in the previous one we implemented this simple server. Now what we're going to do is implement a client that actually connects to this, and we'll actually be running these files from the terminal. If you are on Windows, just install Python and just run it via the command line. It's just going to be easier like that. So you can use any IDE. I'm still currently using IDE 8. Okay, so on this client file I've created, I've saved it in the same location as my desktop, or as the other file, which is right here. You can save it wherever you want, I guess, because you just make it easier to specify, but you can save it wherever you want. So we can put hash exclamation mark USR bin and then / there, Python 3. So again, this is nothing new. Now we're going to import socket. I'm going to create a socket for the client equals socket.socket, and again we are going to be essentially just putting this right here. So what we'll actually do is copy what we need exactly. So we'll need these 3 lines. So I'll just say to Tom, copy that, paste that. Again, I'll rename it to client. It's a separate file. It doesn't really matter, but it's just easier, when you're looking at it, be like, okay, that's the client one. Okay, so now we're going to do client socket.connect host port. And so this is the port, the host we get from the local host. Obviously, if you have a host that's like online and you've got another host from another server, you can put that there as well. That is not a problem. The principle is exactly the same whether it's local or online. Now we're going to put msg equals client server, client socket, got to spell socket right, socket.recb, which is receive, and now we specify how many characters we must receive. Put 2048. The reason we specify this is not to get overloaded. This can help prevent some sort of an attack like a DDoS. Close. And now we just do print. msg.decode, and now we put ASCII. So this is a message that we've received, and so if I save that, I open up terminal. So I'm going to change directory to my desktop, and in here I'm going to run Python. It's called file.py. So this, you run the server first, put ampersand, so this will just allow us to run it in the background. So if I press enter, that's running in the background now. And as you can see, none of this has been printed out because this is for the client. Now if I were to do Python client.py, even though in the client file there was none of connection from blah blah blah, and thanks for connecting, that's in here, because this was sent via the server to anyone that's connecting, that's the reason the client received it. So this is great. You could be sending scores, you could be sending all sorts of information. It's that cool and that simple. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.